Alright, so I was investigating the forced delays on Firefox from YouTube, and I am unable to confirm because so I've got this browser, I've got LastPass, uBlock, nothing else going on, and then I have Telerik set up, Fiddler to man in the middle, so I'm intercepting the desktop polymer retrieval and replacing it with my own, and you can see that here, and I got it prettified, and then I've so down in the function that was discussed popularly, you can see here the 5-second delay. You can see I've added a console log here to tell you that the delay is starting, and then a message also telling you when the delay is finished. And then up where the function is called, here I found this function call that starts with a string like AB, and so I thought of that like, these are potentially two different A/B tests, so they call this check to see whether A/B testing is turned on for this feature, and if it is, then it does this logic. Same thing for this one, but this is something else. And so on my testing, this call returns false. So I commented it out and changed it to true to simulate that I'm a part of the A/B testing. And then as long as VMB, whatever that is 2, then we end up running this line, which is our target function, the ZMB. So yeah, so that's it. So it's just adding some logging and also potentially turning on A/B testing forcefully for me. So I've saved that. I have my Telerik replacement turned on. So now we'll go here, and you can see in the console immediately
when the EU and
is starting, but then well before it finishes, I'm able to load the video, and it even says that the delay was started and finished. So it's like that code that is in question doesn't really seem to be responsible for playing the video. So seems to be a false positive. Maybe the delay is somewhere else, something else is triggering it, or maybe there isn't a delay. I don't know. That's all.